Tesla once said, 1,000 years hence, the telephone and the motion picture camera may be obsolete, but the principle of the rotating magnetic field will remain a vital, living thing for all time to come. These prescient words ring true today more than ever. Magnetics is synonymous with motion in modern life. It is the magnet inside the motor that makes your electric vehicle drive. It is the magnet inside the turbine that turns wind into energy. It is the magnet inside the drone that fuels its dance in the sky. It is the magnet inside the robot that precisely guides it across the assembly line, around a farm, or throughout your home. It is the magnet inside the MRI that creates the namesake magnetic field. And it is the magnet inside the mysterious and, in some cases, not yet developed defense technologies that keep us safe. It is the magnet inside that matters, and therefore, our lives increasingly rely on magnets and the special ingredients inside the most powerful and efficient magnets